In this video, I'm going to be talking about what you really need in order to make passive income online. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be talking about what you really need if you're looking to make passive income online. Something really important, guys, is passive income. It's something that we can really build, but we need, first of all, we need to understand that at the beginning of it, we need to put the hours, okay? It's going to take kind of hard work, okay? It's like a rocket. At the beginning, it needs a lot of fuel, and then it's going to be building momentum and it's going to be going up. It's the same with passive income online. Okay. My topic, it's passive income online. I'm not going to be talking about other ways to do passive income. This is going to be based on my experience. Okay. Just in case that you're wondering, well, who I am. Well, I already told you my name. My name is Diana Castillo. And I can tell you guys that my online journey started back on 2007. At that time, I was doing something super different of what I'm doing right now. And I'm going to be talking more about that in a moment. At that time, I was actually blogging. That's what the thing I was doing. I was writing articles. Okay. And it can be on any topic. Okay. That was a thing back on the day. Unfortunately, I met someone and I suffered a huge scam. So I was forced to sell my online business and get back to not just one full-time job, but two full-time jobs because there were debts on my name. And if you, by any chance, take a credit card, loan, or whatever, you know that if the thing is under your name, hey, you are the one who's responsible. The bank don't care who used the money, how they spend it, or who took the money. You are the one who is actually responsible. So that was my thing. And since I have two full-time jobs, I was looking for a way in which I can have an extra income because I was barely making it. Although, I have these really good positions. I mean, being a director in two companies, I was barely making it because of the debts. But I can tell you that if you have the right mindset, and this is the very first thing I'm going to talk about, you can really make it happen. Okay. You need to believe in yourself. You need to believe that it's actually possible for you. If there is someone out there who have the results that you're looking for, there is no reason why you should not get them. Okay. If someone else is getting the results that you want, there is no reason why you cannot get them. The only difference between them and you, it's that they started and you haven't started yet. Okay. They started and you haven't started yet. Okay. Because this, and I'm talking about based on my experience. Sometimes we are overthinking. We know what is actually possible. We are scared to death. In my case, and this is true story, I was scared because I was like, man, if I have a successful online business again, chances are that I'm going to meet someone and I'm going to get scammed again. That's what my thing. I had a broken mindset. Okay. I had a limiting belief. Okay. If you have ever experienced, maybe this is you. This is actually based on my experience. I even sabotaged myself. I reached certain amount of money and then I was like, I stopped. So I don't want you guys to do that. I want you guys to understand that you need to believe in yourself. You need to have a commitment with yourself. You need to have a commitment with your success. And you need to have a true why, a true reason why you are going to be doing this. And this is aside for earning money. Okay. I know earning money, it's something that we need because I don't know, guys, but if you ever try to go to the supermarket and buy some stuff and try to pay with kisses and hugs, that doesn't end pretty well. I can tell you that. Okay. So I know money is actually important, but you need to have a really strong reason why you're doing this. Write it down, put it in front of yourself, put it as your wallpaper, your screensaver on your cell phone. Okay. something that you really, really want. Okay. Maybe you want to do it because you are tired as me of living paycheck to paycheck. And I wasn't even living, but surviving. Okay. So I can tell you that this is actually possible. And in my case, I was able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs. I also need you guys to understand that not every business model is equal. Okay. In this case, remember, I'm going to be talking about online business models. Okay. You can create your own product. You can create your own service, but that's not going to give you passive income. Diana, but I can hire someone who is going to be, delivering it. Yes. But you need to make sure that the person do it. If not, you're going to be the one who is going to be responsible. Okay. The other thing is that, for example, business models like Amazon FBA, drop shipping, they work. I have actually made them in the past. But if you don't have money to invest, okay, the stress is going to be really huge. Okay, so not every business model is created equal. So in my case, I was looking for a business model in which I do not need to create a product, create a service, deliver it, take care of payment processing, customer service, and all this stuff. The only thing that I want to focus is just in one thing and one thing only. And I'm going to be talking about that in a moment. Because remember, I was super busy. I had two full-time jobs. So the business model I choose, it's actually what it's called affiliate marketing, in which literally I'm promoting other people products and services. So here we have the person who create the product or service. Here we have the potential customer. And here you are. Okay, here you are. You are telling this person, hey, you're looking for this information, check this out. And if the person buy the product using your link, you are going to be earning money. Okay. The only thing that you do is get eyeballs. Okay. The only thing that you do is get eyeballs. And the customer is not going to be paying extra. Okay. Actually, the person who actually created product or service is going to be really happy about it. So that's the business model I chose. And I'm still doing it until this day because I know how important, at least for me, remember, I was looking for a way in which I was earning passive income at the beginning because I had two full-time jobs. So having a third job really was not an option. Okay. Also, I focus on evergreen content, which is traffic. These are the eyeballs. Diana, but I do see you everywhere nowadays. Okay. Let me explain you how everything started, because chances are that you're watching my YouTube channel and this is the only medium that you know about me. But I actually started with Facebook. That's what's my strategy back on the day when I actually, restarted the online business. At the time recording this video, it was 7 years ago. Remember, I had two full-time jobs. So I was spending a lot of time on Facebook. And I was like, man, it's working. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to tell you that doesn't work, but it's really time consuming. So I did not have much time. So I was looking to do something different. Okay. So that's the reason why I create evergreen content. So that means that content is going to be here for years to come, like my YouTube channel, like a blog. Okay. And as long as people are looking for the information, you are going to be getting eyeballs. Okay. And again, that doesn't mean that the other type of traffic, okay, is actually not working. Because yes, you can see me and I actually advise people to start with short form content because they get eyeballs super fast. They get a lot of traffic super fast. Okay. But you need to be consistently, creating content. So I actually have evergreen content and I have this short form content. Okay. So I also have an ecosystem. Okay. It's a two-page ecosystem. Okay. Super simple. I'm going to be leaving a link below to a platform that's called System.io. System.io, it's an all-in-one marketing solution. So literally you have everything and you can start it for free. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can open your account. And literally, you're going to have what we call a capture page in which you're going to be asking people for their name, the email address. In my case, since I'm an affiliate, I have something that we call a bridge page in which I introduce the person, the solution, and here then is the sales page. We do not create this sales page. It's literally a um, two-page system. And the cool thing about this is that you can promote this very first product, but you can also promote other products. This is what we call promoting other products on the back end. Okay. You can start with literally one product and you can have your entire ecosystem promoting other products. So you are going to be, taking advantage of the business model and getting passive income. But not every income is created equal. There is something that is called recurring income. So there are companies out there who are willing to pay you every single month as long as the person is using, their product or their service. For example, right now you're paying every single month for the internet service. You went to your internet provider once, you signed for a contract, and you have been paying them for many, many, many years. Okay. So it's the same with this. Okay. Someone join, someone pay, the company is going to be paying you every single month. Diana, does that mean that that's the only type of product that I need to focus on? No. Okay. You can remember, thanks to your ecosystem. Okay. Thanks to your ecosystem, you can promote as many products as you want. But since this video is focused on passive income, that's the reason why I'm telling you, because sometimes people are just focused on the one-time payment offers because they don't know or they just don't have, in mind the fact that, hey, you have these other income or type of products as well. So I suggest you to go with that. Okay. And something really important is that, again, you need to believe in yourself. You need to understand that it's actually really possible for you. I can tell you that if you are following this, you are going to have the opportunity to be successful. But you need to believe in yourself. You need to have a commitment with yourself. You need to have a commitment with your success. By the way, guys, if you haven't started yet or you're not getting the results that you want and you want to learn more about this, check the very first link in the description with my #1 recommendation to make money online so you can have more information about this. Okay. And you can start having a successful online business. Remember, you need to have a commitment with yourself. You need to have a commitment with your success. Okay. You need to be consistent. At the end of the day, consistently, kill talent. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.